Have you ever noticed that no matter how well you sleep or how much coffee you drink, your energy and drive still feel flat? For men over 50, that's often the silent signal of falling testosterone. But here's the surprising part. Even something as small as the nuts you snack on can make or break your hormone health. I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley, and today I'll share 4 nuts that naturally boost testosterone, and 2 that quietly work against you. By the end, you'll know exactly which nuts fuel strength and stamina, and which ones can drain your hormones. Nut number 1. Walnuts. First up, walnuts. These brain-shaped nuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, the healthy fats your body needs to make testosterone. They're also packed with arginine, which your body converts into nitric oxide, that widens blood vessels, improves circulation, and supports firmer, more reliable erections. Just 5 or 6 halves a day on oatmeal in a salad or as a snack can fuel testosterone, improve blood flow, and support lasting vitality. Nut number 2, almonds. Second, almonds. They're loaded with magnesium, one of the most important minerals for testosterone production. Magnesium not only helps make testosterone, it also boosts free testosterone, the active form your body can actually use. Almonds also supply vitamin E, which protects hormone-producing cells from oxidative damage. A handful a day keeps testosterone stronger and longer lasting. Third, Brazil nuts. They're the richest source of selenium, a trace mineral that acts like the spark for testosterone production. Just 1 or 2 nuts a day is enough. More than that can actually be too much. Think of them as a natural supplement. Tiny, precise, and incredibly powerful for reproductive health and vitality. Nut number 4, pistachios. Fourth, pistachios. These little green gems improve cholesterol balance, protect arteries, and boost circulation. They also contain plant sterols that help balance testosterone and estrogen, crucial for men over 50. A small handful in the evening can fuel hormone health and curb unhealthy snacking. Nuts to avoid. Not all nuts are hormone-friendly. 2 common ones can actually drag your testosterone down. Peanuts, technically legumes, often prone to mold toxins, and high in omega-6 fats that trigger inflammation. Occasional handfuls are fine, but don't make them your daily go-to. Cashews, tasty but high in omega-6, often roasted in oils and salted, promoting inflammation and weakening testosterone balance. So here's the takeaway. Walnuts, almonds, Brazil nuts, and pistachios fuel testosterone and circulation. Peanuts and cashews? Best in moderation. By choosing the right nuts, you can protect your hormones, boost energy, and feel more like yourself again.